Hey guys, it's Running Kimono. Happy Tuesday morning. This is an early one, and if you can watch this video before noon or right around there, we have a free item over on the Dr. Oz website, and I'm just going to walk you guys through how this works, but you can get one Eucerin product totally for free, and I believe it's under $19. So if there's a product that's like $18.99, you're in business. In the past, I have redeemed these at either Meijer or Walgreens with no problems. They scan perfectly, even though it's a very high value product, but this Eucerin stuff is very expensive. So let's just do a quick little rundown of what you're going to have to do. You're going to have to head over to the droz.com website, and again, it's only today, which is Tuesday, January the 8th, and right at noon Eastern Standard Time, so you have to be on the ball with the timing. There will be an active link. You click on it, you basically will provide information, your email, your shipping address, your age, just little basic information, and then if they're supposed to be giving out a certain cap of them, but if you make it within that window, they will mail you a free product coupon. And usually this goes within the first 10 minutes. I think last time it went in 5 minutes. Like, people really want this product, and do one per household just to ensure that you get one, because if you're thinking, oh, I'm just going to sign up everybody in my household, only one person will get it or you will be canceled. And just to show you, this is what he has on his website. So I will provide the URL in the comments if you guys want to click it, and basically you're just going to go to the front page and then click this Eucerin icon, and then it'll provide all of the information on how to sign up, and as you can see, be one of the first 5,000. So apparently the value of this is just under 85,000 from what I've read, so it is very valuable. Last time he did this a couple months back, it expired I think within 5 minutes. So I'm being very generous, saying 10. So if you can watch this video and then get on your cell phone right at noon and be on the ball, Eastern time as well, just do it, because this is a really great deal. So that's it for this one, guys. I'll talk to you in the next video.